I'm Christine of LLBC, Lovely Looks by Christine. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this very simple yet so elegant lanyard. Okay, let's prepare our materials. For this project, I'm going to use 4-ply or 8-ply polyester, 3mm small beads, 2.5mm crochet hook, scissor, threader, 2 pieces lanyard lock, and a 2 size of needle. This one is a cross stitch needle and this one is a tapestry needle. Okay, let's start. Okay, to start, get your cross stitch needle and 4-ply yarn. Let's insert 140 pieces of 3mm small beads. If you don't have 4-ply yarn, you can also use 8-ply as long as when you're inserting your beads, use only 4-ply. Okay, or you can also use Monaco or any lace yarn. Okay, let's insert 140 pieces. Not all beads will match your needle, but just continue inserting your beads. Just finish inserting your 140 pieces of 3mm beads. Okay. Let me finish mine, then I'll show you what to do next. Okay. Okay guys, I'm done inserting my beads. I insert 150 pieces in total just to make sure I have enough beads when I want my lanyard to be longer. Okay, so next we're going to use 8-ply. So I will get the other end of my yarn so I can have 8-ply. There. Okay, now make a slip knot, then chain 8. Slip knot. Chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then slip stitch on your first stitch. Then chain 1. Make a single crochet in the same stitch. Now, adjust your beads near you so that we will get them easily when we need them. Okay. Just that. Okay. Move 1 beads. Then, chain 1. Turn your work. Single crochet, then another 1 beads, chain 1, turn your work, single crochet. Just continue doing that. Adjust your beads near you so that you can get them easily when you needed them. Okay. Okay, just continue doing that until you place all your 140 pieces beads or until you run out of beads. Okay? Let me show you again. Chain 1, turn your work, then single crochet, beads again, then chain 1, turn your work, single crochet, your beads, okay? Just continue doing that. Then, let me finish mine and I'll get back to you when I'm done. Okay? Okay guys, I only have 4 beads left to complete my 140 pieces beads. So, let me show you for one last time. Okay, so slide your bead, chain 1, turn your work, then single crochet, slide, chain 1, turn, single crochet, slide, chain, turn, single crochet, slide, chain, turn, then single crochet. Okay, okay, let's count if we really have 140 pieces beads. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 46, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 46, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 28, 30, 32, 34, 46, 38, 40. 40. Then, for last, chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn. Then, make your slip stitch. Okay, then cut your yarn. Then weave your ends. Okay. Let me show you how I weave mine. Using tapestry needle. I just insert it like this, there, on zigzag way. Okay, I think it's enough. But if you want to continue until you run out of yarn, it's okay. But for me, it's enough. Okay. Then do the same on this end. Just wave it zigzag way. Then put your lanyard lock like this. Just slide it like that. As simple as that. Okay. There. Then we're done. So cute. So you know the drill, guys. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for you to get notified on my next tutorial. Thank you.